Trumping losers with the hand with the short trump. Using trump in the shorter trump hand gains extra tricks and is a classical playing technique used by declarers. It can be used to avoid a finesse and often is used to secure the contract rather than gambling on an extra trick. East opens one heart. You can see that South's hand has a semi-self-sufficient spade suit with ace, jack, 10, 9, and 3, 2 doubletons, and high card points of 18. Should South overcall one spade or double? An overcall shows 7 to 17 high card point, but with South's hand with a semi-self-sufficient spade suit and 2 doubletons should double, not overcall. South is too strong for an overcall. Forced to bid, North bids 2 clubs, showing under 8 high card points and at least 4 clubs. South now shows his strong suit by bidding 2 spades. North closes the bidding with 4 spades. North, with 7 high card points and strong spade support, correctly finishes the bidding at 4 spades and is not strong enough to consider slam exploration. Let us assess the losers. There are no spade losers, 2 heart losers, 2 diamond losers, and 1 club loser. The spade suit has all the high honors from ace to 9, but no singleton or void in the long trump suit, so it cannot use the dummy reversal technique. In the diamond suit, missing only the queen, it is very tempting to try a 50% finesse. The declarer has 6 diamonds and the opponents have 7. Let us look at the risk of trumping after 2 rounds of diamonds. The opponent's diamonds will split 4-3 62% of the time, 5-2 30% of the time, 6-1 8% of the time, and 7-0 less than 1% of the time. Therefore, after 2 rounds of playing the diamond suit, 39% of the time, one of the opponents will also be void. The declarer must trump high. On a percentage basis, it is better to play the trump technique rather than try a finesse. Also, with all the high trump, the declarer can afford to trump with the king and queen of spades in the dummy. Let's look at the heart suit. The opponents have 8. The declarer has 5. How will the hearts split? 5-3 or 6-2? Did each start with 3 hearts? West's lead of the 7 of hearts. The declarer must watch the second card to see if West plays mud, middle upside down, where the first lead is the middle card of 3, and the second one is low, and the third one is high. Or was the 7 of hearts the top of nothing? West probably has 3 hearts because East with 6 might have continued to raise the hearts even though that West passed. Therefore, on the 3rd round of hearts, declarer must risk ruffing low. The declarer must lose 2 hearts and 1 club. The declarer must trump diamond losers in the dummy and not consider ever finessing for the queen of diamonds. The declarer must delay drawing trump until all the diamonds are trumped in declarer's hands. Timing of when to draw trump is very important. Let's see how this hand plays out. After 2 rounds of hearts, on trick 3, East continues with a heart and does not switch suits. South risks trumping low, and East follows with 6 of hearts, meaning that the 7 of hearts opening lead was top of nothing. South continues to play the ace of diamonds, then plays the king of diamonds, and then leads jack of diamonds. Remember, after 2 rounds of diamonds, 39% of the time, one opponent will be void. The declarer must trump with the king and queen of spades, making it impossible for the opponents to overruff. Declarer returns to his hand with a club and leads the final diamond and trumps it with the king of spades. Declarer then starts to draw trump with the four of spades, winning the last four trump tricks and giving up the last club trick at the end to make the contract. The post-mortem. With all the high trump, declarer must trump with the king and queen of spades, making it impossible for the opponents to over-trump. You can see that 39% of the time after 2 rounds that one of the opponents will be able to trump. In this case it was East. If declarer had trumped low with the 4 of spades, East could have easily over-trumped and the contract would have been defeated. Timing when to draw trump was critical, as the declarer must trump the diamond losers in his hand before drawing trump. The king of clubs was with East, therefore finessing for the king of clubs in West's hand would have failed. Rather than finessing the queen of diamonds, the declarer correctly trumped the diamond losers, as the queen was in East. In conclusion, I hope you, as declarer, will always consider trumping your losers in the hand with the shorter trump, rather than finessing.